Hindi ka siyang ka-guard ko. Nagbe-memorize kasi ako ng Redem. Tapos nagtawag na yung LBC. Sabi, nandiyan na! Nandiyan na! Baka maingay ako. Nandiyan na daw. Sabi ko mag-abang na ako sa labas. Hello pa. Apa akin. May babayaran pa po ba, kuya?
Naku, wala na.
Hello. Okay lang ba naka-video? Para sa vlog ko lang po, kuya.
Pupunuin mo.
2 years.
2 years pa. Sige lang.
Thank you po.
Ping ka na.
Apo, nakapin na po.
Ano?
Thank you po. Hindi ba ito babuksan? Ah!
Give it to me like.
Hey, what's poppin'? It's me again, Angeline. So for today's video, we're going to unbox again, but this time, this will not be an ordinary item. This item right here, I've been waiting for this one since I can speak louder right now because actually it's already 12 a.m. and my roommates are already sleeping. Tapos ako dito nagbo-vlog. Sorry guys. The item that we're going to unbox is something really important to me. So I've been waiting for this one since last year. Last year kasi December. Here's the item that I'm talking about. So here's my silver play button. Finally guys. After 3 months dumating na rin to sa akin. So actually nakaraan pa to. Ano lang ako na story time. Maikling story time lang. Last December 3, na-monetize yung YouTube account ko. And then last December 18, 2021, yes, I've reached 100k subscribers. And that time, nakakatawa. Kasi I thought that that day, hindi ko ma-reach yung 100k subscribers. So, siguro nung afternoon, my subscriber count is as far as I can remember, 97 subscribers. So, akala ko makakapag-video ako or mavo-vlog ko yung reactions ko. Panoorin yung live count ko ng subscribers kasi meron yun sa YouTube. So, yun, chinek ko. Sabi ko, ay, 97. Sabi ko, malabo pa to. Baka hindi kayanin today. I was so busy doing my school activities. So, yung mga due date ako hinabol that time. Noong mga 12 a.m., suddenly my tito message me on Messenger. Sabi niya, congrats, ganun. Nauna pa niyang nalaman or nakita na 100k subscriber na ako. So, hindi ko alam kung anong reaction ko. So, chinek ko agad. So, yun, 100k na ka. Umiyak ako that time. Oh my gosh. Super happy. As far as I can remember, last December 31, I've claimed my YouTube award, Creator Award, which is my silver play button. After that, I waited for 3 months, almost 3 months. So, every week, nag-chat ako sa YouTube, pati nag-email na rin ako sa YouTube creator kasi sabi ko, ala, parang hindi man ito dadating yung yung play button ko. Naka-address kasi siya sa Coron. So, that time, I was in Busuanga and I addressed it sa Coron. So, akala ko hindi siya supported. Kasi paranoid. Yeah, February 24, dumating siya sa Coron, Palawan. Good thing is, nandun yung tita ko. So, siya yung nag-claim. Yung time na yun, dito na ako sa PPC, Puerto Princesa City. Nadala sa akin via LBC. Nung March 14, naka-receive ako ng message from LBC na meron akong package. Pero wala pa akong idea kung ano yun. And that time, super busy rin ako sa schoolwork. So, di ko alam be. Nakapantulog pa ako noon ng cleaning ko kay Kuya na Kuya LBC, nag-deliver. Buti lang bait niya kasi sabi ko, nagpaalam din ako, Kuya, video ko to para sa vlog ko, ganun. Tinanong-tanong niya rin ako, nag-interview rin siya sa akin kung anong course ko, ganun, kung anong year ko na yun. Super bait ni Kuya. Shoutout kuya. Hindi ko natanong kung anong pangalan niya eh. 1 week na tong nasa Dora box ko. Kasi wala akong... Super busy talaga guys. Kaya, content creator na madalang lang mag-upload. I'm really trying my best para makapag-create ng content. Kahit gano'n ba ako ka-busy. So ito, open na natin. Hindi mo makita, no? Kasi pag tinaas ko baka biglang bumagsak. Iingay ako dito. Oh my goodness.
One eternity later.
Yan na! Here's the, ito na yung mismong box ng silver play button ko. Ay, ko na, ayan ang masasabi ko eh. Pero masira ko yung Tapos nalaglag sa paa ko. Wow! Wala pa. Ayan pa lang siya. Meron siyang maliit na tapom. Wow! Letter. Meron silang letter na maliit. Ayan, ganyan. Ito na, oh my gosh. Relax, okay. Ayan, the first thing that I saw is this one. Itong maliit na card. It says here, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us, YouTube creator, at societyawards.com. I'm keeping this one. Parang gusto ko i-laminate. Charot. Yun na. Ito may letter. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko naiyak ako. Oh my gosh. Walang iyak for today's video. Kainis. Hindi ko ano. Ang ganda. Okay. Ayan, may letter din. Do you remember your first subscriber? Kilala ko sila first subscriber. Hindi ko alam kung natutuwa ko. Maiiyak ako. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Ang pangit ko pa naman naman. Teka lang, sayang yung foundation. Charot. Or your 1,000 subscriber. Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100 subscriber. Sino kaya yun? Yung pang 100 subscriber ko. Your fans may have found while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommend video. So no matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and excitement of being part of growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive subscribers with a silver creator. Congratulations with your community, and we know that your fans can wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and create. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1 million subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100 subscriber? Well, yours sincerely, Susan, CEO of YouTube. Ayan. Kit pa rin. Yan, meron din ulit siyang letter or card. Ayan, nakabalot siya sa plastic. Tanggalin natin sa plastic. Oh, thumbnail yarn. Wow! Pwede palang manalamin dito. So, nakalagay dito sa play button, silver play button, presented to Angeline Iscaran, that's me, for passing 100 subscribers. YouTube. Ang ganda! Deserve ko ba ito? Siyempre. The last time I checked, we are now 170k subscribers. So, thank you so much, guys. So tomorrow morning, I have a schedule with Kuya CJ. So, he's one of the super galing na photographer ng one take. So, we're going to have a pictorial for my silver play button. I'm super excited. Ang gara, di ba? May pictorial pa siya. So, yun. Maaga ko gising bukas kasi ang schedule namin ay 9 a.m. So, let's see. And I'll update you na lang tomorrow. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. So, today is my photo shoot with Kuya CJ. And samahan niyo muna ako mag-ayos for like 30 minutes. So, first things first, mag-eye drops muna ako kasi super puyat talaga yung mata ko. Pagod na yung eyes ko. So, I need some eye drops to moisturize my eyes. Kasi magko-contact lens ako. So, I really need this one. Super init, so kailangan ko ng electric fan. So, baka mag-ingay. So, I'll just show you the process of my makeup. And the final look. Hi guys, dito na ako sa location. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi I had to commute just to get here. So, ayun, nandito na ako and dito ako sa fitting room. I'll just change my, clothes and then we're ready to go. And then some retouch kasi, oh my gosh, commute no more. So, yun, bye! Here's my shoes. So, hi guys! So, finally, nandito na ako sa venue ng photoshoot namin. So, I'm here at Hollywood Fashion. So, dito kami mag-shoot with Kuya CJ. Retouch lang ako kasi yung hair ko medyo nagulo na. And, yun nga, super powder lang. Thank you so much po sa Hollywood Fashion for sponsoring our venue for today's photoshoot. Venue Hollywood Fashion Merchandise. You should check their FB page and then also one take. Tour ko kayo mamaya sa dito sa Hollywood Fashion para makita niyo kung ano naman.
Hi guys, welcome to Hollywood Fashion kung saan makikita ninyo ang mga mamahaling bags, watches, and jewelries. So, visit here at Hollywood Fashion sa harap lamang po ng Kapitolyo ng Palawan. So, like nyo rin po ang page namin, one take. Let's do it and make it one take. So, Hollywood Fashion Merchandise, yan po yung kanilang Facebook page, right? Miss Ace?
Yes, Hollywood Fashion Merchandise.
Hollywood Fashion Merchandise. Like their page also and buy some stuff.
Yes.
Na sulit and quality. Thank you.
Natapos na yung photoshoot. Girl, excited ako. Na-excite ako, nakakainis. So, yun. Oh. Kabog, ang ganda ng earrings ko. And, again, thank you po ulit. Oh.
Hi, my name is Ace.
Siya yung nag-assist sa akin. Super supportive.
Yeah, welcome sa Hollywood Fashion
Yes.
Merchandise. So, nandito kayo sa aming jewelry. Sa aming fine collection, so we have jewelry, bags, watches, and other stuff na kailangan nyo sa inyong mga daily OOTDs.
Tutur ko kayo dito. So, pag pumunta kayo dito, ito yung mga makikita nyo. Shoes. Ayan. Bags. Shoes again. Oh, cool. Shoes and slippers and stuff. Mga lotions. Beauty products. Lotions. Ayan, shoes. Again. Ito yung sinuot ko kanina. It's Katy Perry. Goodness. I feel honored. Grabe. Wala masyadong nagkasya sa akin kasi maliit yung aking paa. Bags. Bags again. So, dito tayo sa medyo, dito tayo sa mga bigatin. Ito sa mga bigatin items. Mga jewelries and Gucci and Chanel.